Create our own design file library for plotting. We create a new file and we call it plot, and then plot demo dgn library. You will use this file as a seed file. Now you will open the design file library. First we open our plot preparation menu. Tools, toolboxes, then we go to the plot preparation, print preparation toolbox, and I also open the custom toolbox. First we create a new seed model. He asks for what kind of seed model do you want to create. Let's create an ISO A0 plot model. We can give the sheet file a name, ISO A0 test, demo. No, that's ISO demo. Okay. Now we are in the sheet file. These are the borders of our A0. First we want to create an area in which we want to plot. We do that with place viewport rectangle. This will be the name of this viewport. We say main, and we say label this viewport on the top left side. We want to create a shape for a scale 1 to 500. This is the plot shape. Now we say, oh, let's also create detail plot shape. We say detail 1, and we say left bottom, and we say 1 to 200. And let's create another one. Detail 2, and we created 1 to 100. After this we can draw our own stamp. replace demo, fit it, color green, and we say I want to place a north arrow in the main viewport, scale to 500, and I also want a north arrow in data 1, and I want a in data 2 also a north arrow. And I want to place some text in my menu. I place a text. I can place several text types. A variable, a user input, or a function. A variable we can choose from all the PowerMap standard items. Let's say, let's pick one. Let's say the and let's say we take also a user input for this line and also a function. Let's say the date. We also can say let's place a coordinate to the left bottom. Of the main viewport. We also can say let's place a coordinate on the right bottom of data 1. And so on. We save the file and let's save it in the standard directory. Say program files, Bentley, PowerMap, print preparation, templates, and we say save it. Now we can create a new sheet model, because now we created an A0, but we also can say let's create a new sheet model. A1 demo. Oh. Okay, we say A1. Okay, replace. Place some text. And so on. We also can place an image. Then we say File, Save. Let's have a look what we just created. Maybe you have to restart PowerMap, otherwise this menu will not be filled very good. But here we see our plot demo design file library, and we got the A0 and the A1. Okay, let's plot the A0 on a scale 1 to 500. Like this we can rotate it. Now we say plot the 1 to 500 or the 1 to 200 detail. Also rotate it. And now the third block to 100 scale. Also rotate it. And now we see the north arrow on each detail. We see the coordinate is filled in, the name, but also the date and the system variable. And we also had a key in text holder. So we can say update place text holders, and here we see the key in field. And now we can key in everything we want, and there is our key in. If we also want to create a second plot model, we go to models, we go back to our default model, and we say let's plot the A0. Scale to 500, like this. If we look at our models now, we see we got two paint files. If we change something on this one, we go to our models, we see that everything, also in the details, is changed. If we want to get rid of those plot models, we just throw them away. Of course, there's also another way to create your plot models, and that's you go to the directory where the sample models are, you choose for samples ISO, copy and paste, rename, ISO demo tools toolboxes. And here we got our new plot environment. Of course we want to change the plots with our own stemples and whatever. Then we go to File, Open, say Program Files, Bentley, PowerMap, Print Preparation, Templates. We say all the files, ISO demo. So I opened the ISO demo design file library, and now we can adjust these existing files. See, a lot of things are already set for us, and we just can change and modify this stample to our own needs. This is a cell. Oh, we can drop the cell. If we just key in drop element, we can drop this cell. It's just a graphical element. This shape. And this we can do with all the ISO and if we don't want this, we just throw one away.